Hi, it's time for episode 7 of The White Elephant. And on this episode, we're talking all about luxury. And more importantly, we're talking about livable luxury. There are 3 luxury must-haves in any space, especially in today's day and age. The first being livable luxury. And what that means is performance fabrics. Performance fabrics are similar to what you would find outside, things that are super easy to clean. So bleach cleanable fabrics. Yes, we have them. They're very luxurious. They feel amazing. You can have them in your home too. Because what that means is that your home is very family friendly. We have white sofas and white chairs in our living room, and people were terrified to come in at first, but after the dogs have been on it, we've spilled wine on it, all kinds of sins have happened on those sofas, and you just wet cloth, wipe it up, and it's white as can be. So you don't have to worry about your fabrics anymore. So that makes it really special. The home can look as beautiful as you want, whatever colors and textures you want, and then you can rest easy, that you can entertain and have your family and your pets anywhere in your home you'd like. The second item you must have in your luxurious home is a mix of patterns and textures. So really layering those pieces together really creates that luxe feel. And the third and final, one of my personal favorites, is always a touch of black. So black is an elegant color, it's sophisticated, and it grounds your space beautifully. For the home office here at the White Elephant, as we were designing this space, we really had to focus on the function of the home office. One, because we have a studio and office outside of here. So this is just, maybe for Fridays, work from home, things like that. So it didn't have to be grand, it just had to be super functional. So we selected an old closet on the second floor, which the previous owners called their gift wrapping closet. So we took this space and we converted it to a little pocket office, as we call in interior design. Now, what we did in the pocket office upstairs was first to add a window, and that looks down actually onto our kitchen. We can't really see it sitting there, but it does add great natural light. And then we kind of made a list of what items do we need to make this super functional for us. And for us, it was 2 workstations and a little bit of storage, and that was really it. So we did some beautiful wall covering to add some drama. It's very cozy.
Hi, I'm Grant with Vertical Design Build. We're in the master bathroom today doing some wiring. And over there is where we're putting the towel warmer. So that's 60 inches tall, which is about right there, centered on that wall.
Cool.
And then the shower is replacing the old drop-in tub that was on a platform.
And did you have to rebuild these walls?
Yeah, so you can see the brick behind there. All that wood was rotten, and there was a window there and a window there that were leaking over years and years. So we had to rebuild all those walls and the structural walls. So we got that done.
Good job.
Now that'll just be a window, and those 2 windows will be gone.
Those will be pretty marble, window, marble.
And then in here,
Bathtub
this will be the
area. Bathtub area. That window's going away.
Oh, it is? Huh, good to know.
Yes, honey, that window's going away.
We have his vanity centered on that wall with receptacles, and then in the toe kick, I'm putting LED lighting so when you walk in, it turns on. This is her side, and we're just having some concerns about mirrors and placement of
Plumbing
sconces.
for my sink. There's Jacinto doing the wiring. So we're making good progress. Thanks for the tour, hon.
No problem.
Here at the White Elephant, as I was designing the primary bathroom, we really wanted the space to be super luxurious. So a few things that you can include in your bathroom to really elevate the space and make it a luxury bathroom. For one, we started with real marble floors. So going with the natural elevated materials really makes a big difference. So that's a key one. But some of the extras and add-ons that we used were heat. Believe it or not, even in South Florida, we love heat. So we've added heated floors to really create a luxury experience when you get up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom. We're adding a large heated towel bar right next to the shower. It'd be amazing to get out of the shower and wrap yourself in a nice warm towel. And a special add-on in our water closet is we have a urinal for Grant. So it's one of his must-haves. We're really creating this luxury experience. It's not going to be as bad as you think. It's really going to be very elevated. So we have a urinal, we have a heated toilet seat, we have all the makings for a really luxurious bathroom. In addition to that, because we had the space here, we've added a little coffee bar. So it's hidden behind some cabinetry panels, and it's going to be a little refrigerator space and great for our morning routine. So it'll really make it very efficient. Those are just a few items that really bring home the luxury experience. For luxury interior design, many people want to know how to achieve that. And we have 3 simple tips to help you. And the first would be the materials you use need to be luxe in nature. So I would say velvets, heavy texture, and leather. Mixing these items really creates that awesome, luxurious look. The second would be layers. So making sure that you layer the room. And what that means is if you have carpet in a room, maybe you add a small rug under your cocktail table. You add different styles and patterns in your pillows, and the same with your artwork. Maybe some greens in there. So just think different materials, different heights, and varying looks around the room. Really creates that magical, luxurious look. Sometimes in the design process, you need to pivot. And here at the White Elephant, one of our big pivots included the living room. So in this space, it is sunken in, and we had long considered raising that floor up so that everything on the first floor would be one level. And while that sounds great, it was very complicated. So in the end, we compromised and we just relocated the stairs a little bit going down to the living room just to provide better traffic flow from the bar to the foyer to the dining room and kitchen area. So it's making a huge difference. And now we're waiting on our wood flooring installer to come and feather in the hardwood so it looks like it was there from the beginning. And then our carpet installer will come back and redo the stairs. And hopefully we'll be ready to go in no time. Indoor and outdoor living is super important here in Southwest Florida. And some key elements to designing these spaces are basically to think of it as an interior space. You want to think of this as an extension of your living room, an extension of your dining room, an extension of a bedroom or whatever it is, so that the colors and textures and patterns really flow seamlessly. You open the doors and you kind of feel the same experience moving forward. Of course, we're going to use those awesome performance fabrics and materials that will really stand the test of time. So that's an important factor when designing those spaces. And also, don't be afraid to add those little more luxe things outside. I mean, we live outside here in Southwest Florida, so add those special pieces outside. Bring them in if you need to, but it will make a big difference. Also, in the kitchen here in the White Elephant, we added new sliding glass doors. We opened up the wall so that we would provide a better view for ourselves from the kitchen looking out into our pool area. So doing a simple fix like that will really make a difference in marrying the indoor and outdoor spaces in your home. Another element of indoor-outdoor design is taking into consideration your view. So from inside the home, we really wanted to see the full expanse of our backyard, and so we took out all the heavy old landscaping that kind of surrounded the pool. We really wanted to see our resort-style backyard. Once we opened that up, it made all the difference in the world. When we're sitting at Grant's bar, we have a gorgeous view of outside, and we're still brainstorming on some fun outdoor design items for outside. One great new addition is an inflatable movie screen. So we have a great screen that we're putting up in the backyard, and we're able to see that all around the pool. It's really fantastic. As we're wrapping up episode 7 of The White Elephant, we're really excited to share with you episode 8, and to see the house come together from where we started is truly amazing. So please go back and watch the videos if you haven't seen them already. Subscribe and share with your friends as well.